were there, Z. You were there. Good evening, Mr. FX. Hey, good evening, Mr. Sides. How are you? How are you? Kitty, again, you missed today's session. Why? Why? Why is that? I was there? No, I didn't see you. If you're there, you probably say at least hi or something, right? I was, but not really. I was just on voice call, but off the screen. Okay. Is this actually your USD? Yeah. Yeah, I was quiet. Why you were quiet? Why is that? Okay, this 30 is about to close in 4 minutes. Let's see. I think maybe now it's gonna start ranging between these two zones, something like this. And when the Tokyo session open or when the high volume coming up, if it's either breaks above or starts breaking below, that's where we can look for our entries. But this range, how much it is? It's still like around 300 ticks range, not bad though. But there's not enough confirmation right now because market just opened after the weekend and still deciding. Hey, thanks Nimro for the heartbeat. Hey, what's up, Nimuri? I thought you wanna join the VIP. You missed the one session. Anyways, guys, so I'm doing one more thing. So if you won't be able to make to the weekly calls from now on, you can always go to the WOP where we upload the courses and all that. You guys can go there and start watching those weekly sessions as well if you want to learn from that, or if you miss it and all that. I was in there through someone else. What you mean? Micro God, which is futures. Imori, are you high or something? If you are, tell me. There is not enough confirmation to take any entry yet. Yeah, guys, there's not enough confirmation to take any entry yet. And tomorrow we have clean day, so we're good for now. And now you're gonna see the price. It's just gonna keep ranging for maybe next 2 to 3 hours, and then we might be able to get any position. By the way, how's everybody's weekend, guys? How's everybody weekends? What you guys do? Anything special? just cry about your losses. I think most new people who just joined, they might be thinking, why this guy is so rude? I just blow my account and he's making fun of me. Like Katy Perry used to when she joined us at the beginning. She's like, you guys are rude to me. Pass my account. Oh yeah, Jitins. Yeah, congrats, buddy. Congrats. Happy Strategy Sunday. Strategy Sunday? Nene Rainy, yes. Now she loves it here. Oh yeah, now she loves it here. See? If you survive first few days with me on the live or in the Discord or in the premium, first few days, you're gonna stuck with me here for life, I would say. But those first few days or maybe few weeks are tough. I was up 113 last week and then lost 450 on Friday. Okay. Okay. Don't worry, another session, another week, another day, we can make it back. We'll get there, team. Yes, sir. I saw Asif's payout. Congrats, man. Yep. Remy. Knock, knock. Alright, I just see. See, you have to tell me. You have to tell me. You have to tell me that you're coming.
Let's talk about that plate, right?
Wait.
Let's talk about that plate.
What?
Let's talk about that plate, sir. Hold
What are
on.
you talking about?
What are you talking about? Let's talk about that plate.
What plate?
Your plate that you posted and tagged me again.
Are you talking about this one?
Oh my gosh. Are you serious right now? Like, are you?
You're the one who bring it up, you know. But that was that. Thanks for the dinner. It was good dinner.
It was good. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm glad you enjoyed it. How was your weekend?
Yeah, good.
That's good.
Yeah. When did you join the Zoom call?
I joined it at like 6:21. No, I joined here. I joined it at 4 something. I can't remember when I joined. But I joined. I was there.
Why you didn't say anything?
Because I was just listening. I didn't feel like talking really. You know, just didn't feel like talking at the moment. So
All right. So how was your weekend?
it was drama filled, but okay.
We have new buddy here.
Hello. But I'm ready to make some money. I want another Birkin.
Oh, another one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Hello. You okay?
Mr.
Oui,
Influencer. Influencer positive. What's up?
oui, bonsoir.
What?
On vous écoute.
It was good. Okay, bye.
I don't know what that was about. He kind of scared me a little bit. But yeah, my weekend was good. I'm breathing. I'm alive, right? That's all that matters.
Breathing, life, banking, making a bunch of money. Alright, simple as that. We're just waiting for buys above closure. We're gonna get into the buying and sells. We're looking for once the price starts breaking, we see okay, enough volume is coming in the market. We're gonna look for the sell positions as well. I'm the the beginner. Okay, welcome, KG. You're welcome, buddy. Hello, hello. Just gonna wait for New York session this week. I'm being disciplined. We'll see, Remy. We'll see. I tried to give you some talk on Friday, but you know, you might get some spanking from Kitty if you don't listen. I didn't talk because I was loading up dirt bikes to get ready to go home. Okay, break in. Yeah, break in. Send some videos, man, on the Discord. Yeah, right now, no trade, guys. Don't get into the FOMO. Oh, it's going up, down, up, down, up, down. You're gonna end up losing. And when there's a good time for a trade and good time to make some good money, you don't have any drawdown or any balance in your account, and then you're like, huh, whenever I see good trade, I won't be able to trade because I'm already stuck in this, right? So that's the reason, because you try to end up taking trades in this range. Wait for the confirmation, wait for the price to give you trade. Don't just guesswork. No guesswork anymore. Gap between the two previous candles. There's no gap between two previous candles. What you mean? It was just the bullish gap. Now we're just waiting, waiting and waiting. We have no news. Okay, from Monday, liquidity is gonna be so low on Monday because of bank holiday. Which bank holiday you're talking about, mister? What bank holidays? Oh, this one. UK, okay, UK bank holiday, right? But we are trading Asian session. We are not trading UK session, right? Am I right or wrong?
Let's begin.
And I have 25k. I have 25k. What should I risk? Just one micro. That's it. If you go over that, by the way, why you wanna get just the 25k? The email. for VIPs. If you're in VIP, you will get it. It's going to humble you, yes. It is going to humble you. Mr. Mark, what's up? It will humble you. Yes, Mr. Eddie, what's up? What's up? What's up? Guys, be honest. How many of you take this trade or any trade yet? Buy or sell? Buy or sell? None yet. Okay. Nothing. Okay. None. withdraw those $15 and eat some candy with that. That's the best you can do. Hi everyone. Hey Mike, what's up? Yeah, what you gonna do with those $15, buddy? To be honest, like you're just gonna blow up. Or you can just send it to me. I can have some coffee, some drink, you know. Get the chipotle, yep. Okay, Mike, yep. Eat candy. Yeah. Why wasting money, blowing that money? Hello everyone, how we doing? Hey Devon, what's up? We are doing great. What about you? That was a quick draw. Remy. Jail buddy, jail. 5 minutes until this 15 hourly closure. And 37, no, this is 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame. understand about the trading, all this excitement will be gone. Once you start making some good money with it. When was weekly session? I have missed Al Bulashi. It was in the premium chat. If you see, I post the Zoom link and all that. And if you see the announcement section, there I also announced for the section. But if you missed it, you can go to the VOP app and you can watch the recap for the session, okay, where we discuss about the monthly, weekly, and these dailies as well. And these zones we mark on that session as well. You can go and watch it again if you missed the session, okay. So don't worry if you missed it. So Al-Belushi, are you active in the Discord? Because that's where we do communication about the upcoming sessions, like what we're gonna do, like share the thoughts, share the charts and all that. So it's very important to also stay active in the Discord as well, because that's where I'm gonna post my trades, post, okay, this is where I'm planning to take buy, sells, like this is the idea, you know, all those good stuff. Okay, this hourly closed bearish, but it's still respecting this zone, right? So what we do here? Again, we need to wait. Okay, it starts pushing down, but still not enough confirmation to take this trade yet. So since it closed bearish, would that be considered an uptrend? What? What do you mean? If it closed bearish, how can you say it's considered as an uptrend? I don't get it. Discord link, boss, it's in the bio. All the links are in the bio. Either you want to get into the VIP or the free Discord, it's up to you. But all those links are provided in the bio. Okay. By the way, we have very nice clean around 400 ticks to the upside and around 400 4500 ticks downside as well. So once it starts breaking this range, I think we'll be able to catch 400 or 400 both ways. So it's like either the car turns left or right. In both ways, we're gonna be doing great tonight. Of course, if the volume is right, it's going to be a good Asian session because we have clean range on the left here and clean range on the upside as well. Now tell me, is this a rocket science? Just to draw the zones and wait for the confirmation without any signals and waiting for the volume? Is this a rocket science? Is this the difficult path? Or if that's the difficult part, oh, I'm waiting for this effigies, I'm waiting for this auto blocks, I'm waiting for this liquidity sweeps, I'm waiting for this, this, turtle soup. What is difficult or what is easy? You tell me. Oh, look my VWAP. Oh, look at my RSI. Oh, it's matching this line, but my MDX, it's saying no, it's going down. Oh no. Which is easy, guys? Which is easy? Tell me. Everybody in the chat, tell me. Alright, chat, this question is for everybody. What strategy do you use? What strategy do you guys use? Please tell me in the chat. I want to know. AFX strategy, okay. Z, of course, of course. Action price or price action? Of course, this is okay. 1 hour flip, just stream. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. I know for sure about the VIPs. I want to know about this general chat, like these freeloaders who just come here like just to get the signal seekers. ICT smart money concepts. I'm learning AFX strategy. Okay, if you want to learn AFX strategy, brother, first you need to eliminate this ICT and SMC from your mind, because then those strategies gonna conflict with our strategy. Hydra zones on 15-minute time for a confirmation perfectly needs a liquidity sweep beforehand. Okay, but what strategy you using, Mr. Hidden Trader? I'm asking what your strategy, buddy. Everybody who is booking 101 with me through premium, guys, please make sure you show up. If you don't, then you're basically number one, taking somebody else's spot, and number two, you're wasting my time. If I am putting my time in you and I'm willing to put my time for you, you should be there. Yeah, just book mine. Okay, yeah, just well done. It's my own creation, brother. Okay, brother, let me tell you one thing, Mr. Hidden Trader. There is nothing in the market you can say it's your own creation. No, people who said, oh, this is my own strategy, this is my own. No, nothing is own. It's they, or what's the best you can do, like you can combine different strategies and then you can say, okay, I make my own, but still that's not yours, buddy. how to book, bro? Al-Firushi, it's on the Discord. That's why I said you need to active on the Discord. There are so many things. So if you go to the Discord over, can you see it? Yeah, over this section it says book 101. Click that there and click that link, and you can see whatever time slot is good for you. You can book through that. Okay. Okay, our list starts pushing down now. Okay, this is a very interesting area right now, this one. If you see, let's say this 15 starts breaking this zone and closing below this zone, then we can look for the sell entry right here, right? But right now we cannot. Why? Because there's not enough confirmation, plus maybe this price come down, respect this zone, and then starts ranging again here, right? So that's why waiting for confirmation is very important. Any signals? Yes, a lot of signals, not any. In what signals you need? Do you need signal in gold, silver, Nasdaq, oil, Bitcoin? This is why we're here, to provide you signal. Oh, you're waiting for signal in the gold? Definitely. This is what we do. We have a signal group. We give signals every 30 minutes. You will get signal. You missed the previous signal, so if you wanna wait for another signal, you can wait. Okay? Because this is a signal group. Sanja. Yeah, we only provide signals, guys.
Southwest, you know I care, but it's so cold and I don't know where. I brought you daffodils on a pretty string, but they won't flower like the last spring. And I wanna kiss you, make you feel alright. I'm just so tired to share my night.
It's always nice to see who is.
And I wanna love, but all my tears have been used up.
Good evening, sir. Hey, good evening. What is up? So where's the BTC signal? Yes, if you ask, you will get it. Break in, with some spanking. Suraj, hey, what's up, Suraj? How are you doing? Suraj. It looks like it's gonna start dropping anytime soon, guys. So all I have to do, get the signal. Yes, break in, absolutely, 100%. This strategy is the best for beginners. What we do here, the best strategy, because you don't have to deal with any fancy shit. Just plain simple price action, wait for the confirmation, and then start taking your trades and making some money. That's it. God bless you. Yeah, if you're just beginner, better, I would say just come here every single day, because we trade 2 sessions which will increase your experience twice a day, and you will learn a lot. Can't hit profit target before 5 days, but I mean you can in 2 days, right? And the other 5 days you can just wait. So it's like same rule with the Lucid and Top Step. So you have to wait for I mean you can make 50% of whatever your target is, and the next 3 days you can just wait, or open and close one micro just to pass on that day. But why rushing the process, right? I mean, last time, like the stats I sent, I passed those accounts in 6 days instead of, oh, no, I have to pass in 2 days, or I have to pass in 5 days. No, you can take your time. So I pass in like 6 days and get like max funded. Easy peasy. Okay, once it starts pushing down, okay, this 15 is about to close. Alright, let's see if the next one starts going down. There might be some sell entries here which we are waiting for it, if you see. But first we need to wait, then go full pot, like break it. Full board is on the way. Yes, I know. We're done. We're done from the market. We want to do full board and that's it. Can't take this anymore. Okay, look at the daily. Alright, starts breaking the lows. Weekly, the same thing. Can we expect Asif? Can we expect this weekly to go for the wick fill right now? Or maybe another push up creates a top wick again, and then we're like, okay, now the weekly is officially pushing down. I'm back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Mala fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala. Mala fama.
Join my body one more time for the night, and let the rhythm take you for a second. You should loosen up, loosen up, come get what you like. Loosen up, loosen up, come go get you right. Loosen up, turn it up,
Who is getting ready for the sell positions? Who is getting ready? If we see some breakouts here, I am ready when you are. Signal seekers are here. But what if we take the sell position here and the price comes down? Take your entry on and boom. Then what? I'm coming for news. What news? What news you talking about? They are opening up Strait of Hormuz starting Monday. Neutral ships. So I think the things are getting chilled down. That's it. Good man, patience is key. Yes, yes, sir. Patience is a big key. Actually backtest a lot of what I see on the market. Yeah, but backtest it's not gonna help you out, to be honest. I mean, you can do backtest all day long, but you're not gonna see any progress in anything unless you start trading in the real market, or you start seeing the real P&L, like your profit and loss going up and down and all those emotions and all those things, because you don't feel anything when you're doing backtesting. Yeah, how long you been trading? Okay, now if it starts pushing down, we might I would say from 8 we see some volume hitting in the market. It's still, you see, price is still respecting it, this one. Once it starts breaking this, then I would say okay, look at the clean on the left, then we can see clean on the right here. Less than 2 years, okay. Yeah, 2-3 years I would say it's still considerable, but there's still so many things you need to learn as well. Yeah, I just want one candle to close below for taking the sell position right here. That's it. Easy peasy. You're sharing your knowledge, so definitely. How much budget you use when first started? All of it. Every single penny I have on my name, I use it. That was not very convenient for me, but you know, that's what you do when you have zero knowledge, or you you have nobody to teach you or tell you, buddy, you are doing this wrong. I was all alone, just doing whatever I feel like it. And then I learned very, very heavy lessons from the market because of those big mistakes, which can, of course, avoidable, but I was stubborn like you guys, right? So I pay the price for that. So that's why if anybody is stubborn in the chat, come on. I was like, okay, buddy, you're gonna come back again maybe after few short months, maybe next year, maybe year after later, but you're gonna come back and you're gonna be, or if you, let's say you didn't come back, you're still gonna remember, okay, this guy tried to teach me something, but I was too stubborn to learn, you know. So that's why I say, okay, and it's up to you. I mean, it's not my loss, it's your loss, so it's your fault. Guys, there are so many of you and I only get 4 heart me. Come on guys, I need some support here, because that's how TikTok will push our content. And also please guys, start doing the live as well. I mean likes, I need to see some likes to take this trade. I'm not gonna take any trade or gonna tell here until we hit 25k likes here. And we are, I mean, getting close to the volume time as well, and you're gonna see it's gonna start pushing up and down anytime soon. If we don't hit our 25k likes, then but the 30-minute is almost up. For new signal. yeah, breaking. If every 30 minutes I get 25k likes, yes, then you will definitely get those free signals. Whatever pair you choose, whatever instrument or symbol you choose, you're gonna get it. But the condition is every 35 minutes, 30 minutes, 25k likes. So it's your call guys. If you want more signals like break-in, then we need to hit our like targets. Otherwise I'm on my own and you're at your own. We both are our own. Are those levels Friday highs and lows? No. TP40 TP4610. That's by myself. Thanks, Only One. Thanks. Yeah, we are 7 to 8K away. Once we hit, we're gonna see a lot of volume coming in. Okay, 30 just close. Hourly. Yeah, price is still respecting this zone, guys. So there's no breakout, there's no confirmation yet. Don't try to get into any FOMO and try to get all the buys and sells right now. It's better to wait for the confirmation and then take the trade than lose everything, blow your account, have a big drawdown, and when the move happen, then you're just trading at the charts. Why I do that? tap, everybody tap tap. What confirmation are you waiting for? Waiting for closures. How much entry per day? So, how many entries I took per day? Is that your question? We take maybe 2, 3, maybe 4 to 5 entries because we trade 2 sessions. So, in one session, usually it's 1 or 2 entries, right? So, it's quality over quantity. We just don't trade all the setups like in lower time frame. We wait for the confirmation in the higher time frame and then move forward from that. So right now you see the price is just ranging in these zones. So when you wait for your confirmation, you basically eliminate the gambling mindset from you, because then you exactly know what are you waiting for, what are you looking at, and what you need to do once that happens. Because why you start gambling and all that or revenge trading? Because you don't know the move, you don't know, okay, if this happens, this is how you're gonna get out from the trade. Like you have no plan, no discipline, no roadmap, nothing like that, right? So that's why you need to wait for confirmations. It will give you confident, okay, you waited for it, now price comes to that zones, now I need to take it. But if you hesitate or you just blindly follow somebody else and taking buy sells right before the other guy is taking, then you're not gonna learn anything new. What exceptional discipline? What you mean? exposures or confirmations. Market gonna teach you those lessons later. But yeah, I'm willing to take sell positions right here once it breaks this. I'm very happy to taking these short positions. Just waiting for some likes to hit the target, maybe 25k likes. Then I'm gonna start taking my short positions. What are you trading? This is Bitcoin. Is the pushes start happening before 25k likes? Okay, then I guess I'm the only one who's gonna take it. I'm the only one who's gonna get into this trade, guys. Let's see. OG, hi, hey, what do you see here on gold? I see some people starts gonna blow their accounts here. That's what I see. That's what I am seeing right now. Some people gonna blow their accounts and then they're gonna come back to me and then they're gonna try to get into the VIPs until it's too late for them, and they ask for my help to take them out from that sand which they already drawn on them. Quintum, hey, what's up? Hello, hello. Your longs or shorts? Good question. Breakin will tell you that. I'm in longs, okay. Yeah. Well done. Well done, buddy. Now get ready to blow your account if you're in longs. Just saying. You're also in longs. You're trading gold. Yes. 25k. Why you guys do 25k? Wait for the, I mean, once it starts pushing down, I make some profit, and then now I have to show you my entry as well. Head and shoulders, break of structure. Okay. So it got funded with FTMO as boosted does not work. Take it easy. Winter. I mean, I think Top Step, it works in South Africa. You should try that one. That one with the Top Step. I mean, medium. What do you mean medium? Teza, what are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? We're longs from 4500. Yes. Yes, you see, OJ. We were longs from down all the way here. So right now we're just chilling. We already make like so much money, so many takes. So right now we're just relaxing. So come back later when you blow your account, and then you're gonna seek for help. I'm messy. Diz, I think you need some spanking, right? Again, what pro from Top Step, TOP, comes the push down. Get ready. Get ready for the flight, guys. 15 is. Get ready for something. Once this close below these candles, boom. Be ready. And we are getting close to the volume time as well. Bro, answer my question. What question? I didn't see your question, buddy. You think market pushing up? No. I think market pushing down. Market gonna push down and blow your accounts. Simple. Because you guys never listen to me, right? You guys just follow random guy on YouTube or on TikTok, and when you blow your accounts, then you come back here for seeking help. OJ, if you're in bias and if you think it's gonna go up, buddy, guys, relax, guys. I don't know why you guys start panicking once you see a little bit move up and down. If you're in bias and you place your stops, let's say, okay, you are taking the buy position, right? I don't know what's your buy position, maybe somewhere around here, right? If you put your stops here and looking for buys, then okay, stick with it. Like you put your stops, right? If let's say the market needs to go down, right, it will take you out. That's it. Just take that SL and look for the another trade, right? No panic. Yep. So there's no panicking, right? Just relax. I just like to mess up with your head. But if the price you see, okay, it's respecting the zone, then you're good with the buy. We're not even. Okay, this hourly is also about to close in 12 minutes again, and now from from 8 to at least 9:30 we see some more. Take shorts, man. Yeah, I will. Once I see my confirmation, I will. Don't worry. Is more volume now. What? Short or longs? Do longs on one account and do shorts on the other account. Mr. Su, I saw my confirm already. I said no, right? You saw your confirm? Okay. And Reddy, why are you wasting your time on my live, to be honest? Why are you even here? Why are you even here? Man, once it starts pushing down, I don't think I'm gonna see you ever again here. Top step, can you trade forex? No, it's only futures. list of charts patterns. Head and shoulder in the fifth. Where would the TP go? It will go to 0. Here comes the break in your song is here. And the gold drop is also going to happen, so be ready. All those buyers, please fasten your seat belts. You might gonna experience a big turbulence and then a big crash here. Mayday for you. So be ready, Mr. Buyers. Think so? Yo, yeah. Favorite song from the track, yeah. This is the TP song. This is the stop loss song, Teza. When the price is about to hit the stop loss, that's when this song comes. But today it's not our stop loss, it's somebody else. We're just enjoying. Our candles, yeah, this is 1 hour candle. Time frame candle do we use for entry later? It depends. If the volume is too high, maybe 15. If the volume stays the same, then maybe the flip of the hourly or maybe 4 hours. But most probably maybe hourly or 15 minutes. Not 5. Wait for it in gold if it stops there. You can use the futures. So right now we're trading gold future market. So it's the same thing. Okay, hourly closure is coming in 5 minutes. What's the prediction? Okay, I need to call my fortune teller. Kitty, are you here? We need some prediction here. The fortune teller will gonna come with the ball and gonna tell me, show you the moves. So show you the predictions. She's gonna put all the hairs at front and gonna be, you watching the shows and the movies. Prediction. Kitty, are you here? Our fortune teller. Now break in, imagine Kitty doing, like Kitty coming on the live, turn on the camera and put all the hair like this. She's gonna kill me, guys. She Yes, OJ. If you don't know, we have in-house fortune teller, and that's she. Yes, not everything around you. Not everything. Yeah, take it easy, Mr. OJ. Take it easy, buddy. Mr. OJ. All right. Mr. OJ with the. Alright, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. You still being a good boy? If you be a bad boy, then break your nose. Okay, now you see the prices just starts ranging at this very very small price. If we see a push down, buyers be careful here, very very careful. Why? Number one thing, the daily is about to break its lows, and the other thing is the volume also starts coming in the market. So it's going to be not good news for the buyers here. If you're planning to take buys or already in the buys, you need to be careful, guys. Very, very careful. Just saying.
Nota bem, ama sem medo e confiando. Não era mais risonho. Olhar de nós criança, tá toda brilhar de inocência. E na mente esgritaiada, temporal talvez também não.
Hey, Mrs. Nag, where's TBD? Is he even alive? Because after Friday, he's gone for good. Anybody knows where's the TBD? Alright, new hourly just opened and it starts pushing down. Yeah, before pushing down hourly, please give us a little confirmation with the topic and we can take the short positions right here. After some nice confirmation here, Mr. 15A starts pushing down just like that. The range. It's still 200 ticks though. Mhm. Why are you shorting gold is bullish? Who said it's bullish now? If you're trying to buy gold here, you might be Mr. R or Miss R. Yes, babe. Next to me today, but I haven't yet. Alright, it looks like it's gonna break below and continue pushing down. Okay, okay. Goldie, don't go without us. Take us with you.
I'ma hit the good, throw it back. When I look this good, I just wanna be bad. I know you probably heard this, but you never heard that. Did they tell you I might be out of my mind? Or I might be the reason you came in here tonight. It ain't no
If
fun
this
if you
15
don't
close
close the
below,
line.
like 15, no, this is 30. Alright, this 15, like still in 12 minutes. If it starts closing below somewhere here, the next one is going to be a nice push down. And this is the breakout which we are waiting for. Need a closure? Yes, it needs a closure. Are you using Rajabank's method? You can say maybe similar, but we do hear some flip stretches like it's a little different. It's the same but it's different. You're amazing, brother. Thank you. You're amazing too. It's dumping, but the bullish is the direction. Okay.
Drink a skinny margaritas, but the ass still fat.
Breakout strategy.
Don't stand on the wall, motherfucker, work that back. Did they tell you I might be out of my mind?
Yeah, our list still needs a top pick, and then we're gonna see a nice drop. But if this 15, let's say, close here, then on the next 15, we don't have to wait for hourly flip at that point because it already break. Okay. I'll be right back before this trade starts. But I think the move is it's gonna start dropping soon. Do you take his classes? I take everybody's classes. Be a student, not a follower, right? Okay, 10 more minutes for this closure. What is 5 doing? 5 is trying to break it. Let's see. Hourly is pushing down still. Let's stay with the 15 one. It's not all noise is good noise. good ones. What? Oh yeah. I thought gold features close. What do you mean gold feature close? I don't get it.
حبيبي ما تنساني وين ما رحت تلقاني حبنا شي مو عادي يلا حبيبي والله حبيبي حبيبي ما تنساني وين ما رحت تلقاني حبنا شي مو عادي يلا حبيبي والله حبيبي حبيبي ما تنساني وين ما رحت تلقاني حبنا شي مو عادي يلا حبيبي والله حبيبي والله حبيبي
Foolish flag. Okay. Be careful. There's a big order block here. All right. Let's see. Yeah, hourly is coming up now for the top wick. If now the price gives another drop from here, that would be a good sell position here. Let it go up. We don't know if this is going to be a fake out or it's going to come down. So the next one, that would be a good short position here. If it gives a move, of course. Have to go back up. Yeah.
حبيبي ما تنساني وين ما رحت تلقاني حبنا شي مو عادي يلا حبيبي والله حبيبي حبيبي ما تنساني
So now we change
وين ما رحت تلقاني
head and shoulder.
حبنا شي مو عادي
I think it's
يلا
gonna down.
حبيبي
It doesn't matter what we think, right? We still need to wait for the market or wait for the confirmation, right? 15. Okay. I mean, if the price, let's say, give a closure below, then yes, I do think it's gonna keep continue push down. But if it again sustain above this zone, then yes, we can go up, right? So it depends on the price, whatever it gives us.
If you want it, you gotta go crazy for it.
see some volume time. So if this time it starts flipping, breaking the lows again, that would be a good trade. Okay, but if the price keep above this zone, then the sells will be very tough. If it yes, the market is ifs, full of ifs, because there's nothing 100% sure. Mr. IQ, I think your IQ level is little down. Yep. Because once it starts gonna drop, then I'm no all these buyers, I'm not gonna see you here. You're gonna go somewhere else and shit out there, right? 47 up. Yep. So right now what you do, just wait. You're angry on me? Why would I angry on you, brother? Why did you take the food from my table? Why would I angry on you guys? You guys, nothing to me, right? You're just a random number, random viewer in the chat. That's it. Master the art of baiting people. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And now this overly creates a topic, right? This is where the thing starts getting interested now. So if this 15, okay, 2 minutes 15 closure is coming up, guys. How is the weekend? Weekend was good, very good. Patience is the key. Yes, sir. Yeah, if this 15 starts closing below, then on the next 15 there is going to be a nice sell position here. That's why I write sell below closure. When I say closure, it means it needs to close below, because if it closes inside, then the sell is very hard. If it closes below, that would be a clear indication, okay, it is closing below. Now on the next one, yes, definitely we can look for the sell position. The first maybe here 200 ticks if you want to enter, I mean keep your runner on 200 more and all that, all that good stuff right there. So how many of you, if you like to share, are in a trade, in a buys or sells? If you're in buy, type the buy. If you are in sells, type the sells. Or if you're planning to take a buy or sell, I want to see all those buys and sells in the chat. Let's see what you guys think about it. Thanks for the heart. Yeah, don't forget we still need to wait for the closure. So 20 seconds. It's closing above that. I mean, it's trying, it's struggling still. let's do your fortune telling here. 15 close bearish, but you see it is with this wick still close above this one. It's still not enough for us to take the sell entry right now. We still need to wait for this one to break below and then see push. Hello, hello, hello.
Ah, did you miss me?
What?
um, what I'm okay. So sorry, my son is right here. What I'm seeing. All right, so let's do this, right? All right, so we are doing. All right. I don't know why affects. I see buys. I see buys, but I don't know. It's still ranging. It's ranging.
From here?
Yeah, I see buys really bad. Like I see him. It's not going past that level.
Yeah.
It keeps rejecting. Right. That's correct. Yep. If it starts closing below, then yeah, it's definitely flipped. But oh, this is tough. This call is tough. Yeah, it can continue to push down. It really could. I don't have I don't have a fortune right now.
Come on,
I
why not?
don't have one. It because it keeps going down and then it comes right back up and then it goes down again and it comes right back up.
Yeah, it's still struggling. It's still struggling this zone very well. But
Yeah,
the more the struggle going on, the more you see the closure and the push, it's going to be heavy, more faster.
yeah, I can
Yeah.
see that too.
Hey Daisy, how are you? How are you doing with those accounts?
It's summertime, summertime. Let me know. You know this song, buddy? Like it? Good. Hello. You still pinging me?
You know these songs repetitively?
Yeah, summertime song. Alright. Okay. I think it's gonna go down. Okay.
The 30 is also about to close, guys, in 8 minutes. If you want to wait for it, you can do it. But the 15, okay, you see now it starts breaking the previous 15 wick here on the side. So meaning it can close little bit more here on the side. But again, there's if. You need to stick with all these ifs.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Okay. No more calls. No more calls. All right. All right. If you guys were willing to risk, okay, wait. It if the price is staying below this zone, it's gonna it needs to respect the previous 15 or at least 30, right? This it might go up, creates a top wick, and then on the flip of this 30, there is going to be a nice profit. Possible, 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 right? Let it go up, maybe here, and then on the flip of that, we are getting in. We wait for the confirmation. Okay, price breaks out.
Yeah, I don't know what. Just why can't I hear anything?
Can
What in the world?
can you hear now? Can everybody can hear me, guys, in the chat? Okay, wait for the flip of this 30, and then we're getting into the sell position right here. things are happening, buddy. What you mean? We up 9, almost 100 ticks, 2 ticks away from reaching our 100 ticks. Come on, bro. Come on. Don't do that. Don't do that. TP, yes, TP way down. Look under your desk. Look under your desk. That's where our TP is. Great, very nice trade. Yes, Mr. Munir, very nice trade. And it's gonna keep continue push it down, guys. Come on, don't be too much. Oh, it's gonna take me out, and it's gonna keep continue push down. You know why? Because I am in the cells. That's right. Whenever I'm in the cells or I'm in the buys, it had to listen to me. We give no other reason to this call to go any other way. That's the reason. And you're gonna see, you're gonna watch, you're gonna observe this every single day. It's not 1 day, 2 day, no. We've been streaming for a while now. And catching these moves, I mean, this is not a gambling, right? If you're winning every single day, you're banking every single day, all your VIPs are making money in the community every single day and starts taking payout after getting into like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that's not a gambling, that's a strategy. So glad I joined this VIP. TM, who are you in the VIP? Sorry, buddy. What's your name? What is your name? You ready, bro? You were ready, bro? Or you were... Oh, good. Okay. Yeah, guys, all the people in the VIP, please try to do this same name on TikTok, on Discord, and on the Zoom sessions as well. It will help me to identify, okay, because, yeah, I need to change it. Yeah, 46, and yeah, 46, yes, 18. How long have you been streaming? Since January, I guess. Are you the man, the holy one? I told you. You said, what are you doing? I told you, I call the market maker. I'm not the market maker, but I know him. So I call him. I was like, okay, guys, I'm in the cells. You need to push this down. He's like, okay, give me 15 minutes. And what happened after 15 minutes? You witnessed this, right? I know he was doing his business and all that, but after he done, like washing his hands, and he's like, okay, now I need to press this button because Mr. AFX in the cells. Let's go. So all the new people who want to learn the same strategy, the way we trade and the way we bank the market every single day, come to the VIP. You can book one-on-one with me. You can get the group coaching, and also we have fortune telling. I can promise you, if you join the VIP, it will be the thing you have, best thing you ever did. Tell them your story, Breaking. Okay, so we have the live example, Mr. Breaking, for the paid promotion here. He used to be a homeless. All right, you can ask this guy if you want. I can put him on the call live. Okay, he can explain to you. But he used to be homeless. He used to live on the streets. He was on some DRUGs. Okay, so what happened? That one day he was scrolling on the TikTok and he watched me trading live, and he DM me. He's like, sir, I want to learn from you. Can you teach me? Can you show me? I was like, okay, this is how you can join the VIP and all that. And it was like 6 months ago, 3 months ago actually. 3 months ago, he messaged me. I was like, okay. So I put 1 month or maybe 1 month and 15 days on him, and now he have his own house, he have his own car, he have a beautiful wife, and soon to be bringing 2 kids. Yes, 2, not 1. So he's living his life. In 3 months, boom. Right, Breaking? I needed 2. What? Do you need this? And yeah, he also, okay, I'm not gonna tell too much detail because he have his personal life, of course, but you know. Are you trading futures? Yes. So easy. Yeah. Trading is simple, not easy. But if you make it simple, you also making it easy for you. But if you add multiple indicators and all this nonsense on the charts, then yes, trading is hard. Easy to learn from. I enjoy your energy. Yes, definitely. Buddy. Come to Discord. You're gonna love it. Are you trading futures? No, I'm trading crypto. Fancy lines. What's the difference between gold, forex, and futures? Just the price difference. How much is the earlier did I ask? It's everything is on the back. What is Discord? You can go check on the bio. Everything is there. Took me out at BE. That's fine. That is absolutely fine, Sherry. It's still now think like this. Is it better that the price go up, hit your SL and take you out? But then you're happy, or you're happy when it give you a break even and now you have nothing to lose? Which one is better? Right? How long you trading? I just started 3 months ago. Guys, I don't see the buyers. Where did they go? Buyers! Buyers! Where are you? Now they're not gonna come from. They're like, I'm here. What you mean? Kidding. You're exceptional. Shh. You're not in this. Don't worry. Do you teaching now? Yes. I am teaching now. Have been trading for roller coaster is in effect. Guys, told you so. By the way, this week, Sherry, I know you're out. Okay, I don't want to hurt your feelings, but I still survived this week. Look at this 30 or 15. Like if it go a little bit up, I'll be out. But I still survive. But Sherry, don't worry. Remember we discussed no emotions. You can get trade again. Like you can, if you see the setup, you can get into the again. But don't try to get in now because it take you at break even. Because then you're gonna get worse position. I survive. Oh, ZB, you survive also. Well, let's see. Yeah, ZB, put the stops at BE, buddy, because if it comes up now, because I know Kitty is doing all the magics now. It's calling everybody, all these things in the world. Push the price up. What you do, Kitty? Yeah. No, she did the better, right? I'm just ruining that. No FOMO, yes sir, no FOMO. No. And this is the best thing about letting your runners run, even though the price drop like 400-500 ticks, you will not feel the FOMO. Now you just enjoy those short positions. That's it. Meanwhile, some people they just try to buy, sell, and now they've blown their accounts. And now they're looking at me. Okay, how come he took up just one trade and now he's up almost 100 bucks, right? If this still didn't hit your mind, your brain, your mental capacity, then I don't think what else. Like, if you're still not willing to learn from the best of the best in the industry, What's your thoughts? I mean, I give you the best example of Mr. Breakin, right? The homeless guy, the only homeless guy in the chat. But now he have more than all of you combined. All of you broke people here in the chat who don't have money to pay their bills and can't afford anything extra. Look at Mr. Breakin. Mr. Breakin and Mr. Raj as well. Raj, are you here? Let me include you. We have bunch of stories here. And TBD, I don't think he's here again, but if he here, he would also tell you his story as well. Inserting his chat. Man, you're gonna see so many things here. You never seen in your life. You're gonna see those things. Thinking he has the best story better than mine. Yeah, I don't know where he is, guys. Let me message him on the Discord. Where is that guy? By the way, guys, we have free Discord as well if you would like to join. TBD. And you know why we have more viewers than usual now? Because we don't have TVD here. This is proven, guys. This is proven. Whenever that guy here, we get restrictions, a lot of restrictions. You are in red. Yeah. Can we call him live on his number? Let me see.
I let it fall, my heart, and does it feel you rose to claim it?
Hey, where are you?
And I was over
Sleeping at this time?
when you saved me. My hand
Are you on the TikTok live?
back my
Are you on the TikTok live?
I'm sleeping. I'm tired, bro. I drove like 4 hours round trip.
4 hours, that's nothing, bro.
Bro, I got home like 9 and I didn't even see the truck.
Man, everybody wants to listen your success story after you join the VIP group.
Where are they? Who
They're on the live. Look, let me show you. Everybody is here. They're waiting for your success story here. So you said this break-in, your buddy, he said tell him to,
where is TBD?
huh? Yeah, yeah. Break-in said call him. So yeah. Come on live. What do you look? Oh, by the way, look at the trade. Look at the trade. Look at, but we're banking here, huh?
I know I saw it, man. But right now, it's not the right time. I'm sleeping. I'm tired. I'll come back tomorrow stronger, bro.
Okay, you're gonna join or you working from home tomorrow?
No, I was probably watch your live during your section. But I don't know if I can join. And from there, tomorrow, definitely Asia section. We will see. Man, I'm ready to pass those eval, baby.
From where?
I need to pass my eval, man. What are you talking about? They're looking good. They're down $400. One is like 50K. So this week I have to pass them or go them.
We are up 100 ticks, TBD, more than 100 ticks right now, live.
I saw it. I saw
Yeah,
it.
people just want to listen your story, like 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 break-in story, like how he was homeless, he was on drugs and all those things, and now we put him on the trade, and now he's a millionaire. People also want to listen your story as well, buddy.
Tomorrow's a perfect day to tell my story, guys.
Yeah,
Actually,
everybody who's missing out to today, TBD is going to come live tomorrow for you, and he's gonna.
I watched the video. There are amazing, bro.
Yeah. Okay.
But
Or
anyone on the live, if you are not in the VIP, dude, you are missing out a lot of
man, this is
information, bro.
this is the guy from the shadow is saying you. He's full black right now. You can't see anything right now. So, so guy from the shadow is say,
I don't want you guys to see me, bro. But yeah, dude, the videos they were amazing, bro. You did a fantastic job, bro. Like, thank you so much.
yeah, no, I'm gonna post some more videos. Like this weekend I was busy, maybe from this week. That's why I want to know like all the VIPs, like what are their issues, what are their problems. So we start making videos on those topics as well.
Yeah, bro,
Yeah,
this was like beautiful for like beginners, even like vets, man.
yeah.
Even for like, yeah, it was beautiful. I love it. I watched the whole thing and I took notes. Now, like,
That's how you learn, buddy. That's how you learn. Like people, they don't ask questions. They're not willing to learn, and you know, they just sit and they just watch. That's it. They wait for others to ask questions.
bro, you know me, I'm a serious guy, man. Like,
Yeah,
I'm on this thing. Like,
yeah.
I'm
You're
really
smart. I'm telling you. You're soon gonna find a home. I know you right now. You're sleeping on the streets, but you will soon.
Good night, bro. I'm out, bro.
Yeah.
This guy is so.
All right. Take care. Rest well.
Alright, take
I'll
care,
see you
guys. Take
tomorrow.
care, chat. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love, man.
Yeah.
The best community, bro. AFX 1 hour flip.
Exactly.
Sure.
Today, actually, I trade on the 30-minute flip. So all the flips are work. We tried on the daily, we try on the 4 hour, we try on the 1 hour,
On the
we
1
try on
hour.
the 15, 30. All the time frames work.
It's beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful. Yeah, I was watching the
Meanwhile,
how
everybody in the chat keeps saying, "Oh, it's gonna go up. Why are you taking sell? Why are you taking sell?" Now it's pushing down. I don't see anybody in the chat who's saying the buy. Now everybody, you know
I was
what they're
I
asking?
just didn't click, but I was listening to you. I was listening to you. You said wait for the closure of the green candle. I think it was the 30 minute or 15 minute. Yeah,
Yeah.
I guess some people took the trade on the first big drop and they start freaking out. I was listening, bro. I was listening. I was watching the live.
TBD saying good night, TBD. Oh, Breakin saying good night, TBD. Why? Because he can't mute you here.
I know, right? Good night, break it.
all, right, all right, take care,
Alright,
buddy.
guys.
Yeah, but
Good night.
take care. So yeah, guys, that was our homeless member. But now he still sleep. He's still sleeping on the streets. But I mean, now he have at least a tent because when he before he joining us, he used to sleep like just under the sky. He have nothing at the top or nothing. Like he's just laying on the roads, like just like that. Please leave our guy. What? Who's that? And see, let's go. Why are you? I'm not trolling. I'm not trolling. You can ask this break-in guy. Can you please tell him where the head and shoulder dude is at? Break-in. Now you're not gonna find anybody, so forget about that. They, they don't worth anything. Like they don't worth in spending little time on that. Only the VIP members. If any VIP said that, then yeah, he gets spanking from. But all these freeloaders, they always gonna be freeloaders. My story is very true. See, here's the guy. And Sue, come back tomorrow again. This TPD guy is gonna come live and he's gonna share his own experience. If you think I'm trolling or you know, but the price still dropping and it will continue drop until 46 at least. After 46, right here, then there's a different scenario. And guys, don't forget for the VIPs, of course, we mark these zones on our weekly Zoom session. And if you are in the VIP and you missed that session and you want to know how we draw these zones and all that, I upload this weekly session video call on the where we upload the courses on the book. Okay. I can't enter in a fallback. Very nice. I'm staying at the center as we speak, so I also saw your live trading and deposited 500 rupees. Okay, Mr. Tada. But you need to be in the VIP to stay out from the shelter. Because these guys take action. These guys listen to me. Guys, everybody, please do double tap. We are 6k away from 100k likes, and I think we can do this. If everybody's just do double tap for like 2 minutes, we can easily achieve 100k likes. So start doing double tap right now. I want to be in the VIP. Yes, all the links are in the bio. Go to the book. It will directly put you in the VIP, where you can see the videos, where you can see. You can book the one-on-one with me, right? We can do a deep analysis on your strategy, how you do it, what are your experiences, and talk about that as well. Okay. I'm gonna still staying in this trade until maybe 4600, because I can say there's still a more possibility to keep continue pushing, right? So if let's say you didn't take partials, I would say take some partials here and put like at least one contract of it. Do not if you're not closing your full, I mean, don't 10%. It will boost your confidence in holding your trades longer, because most people they hold their trades in drawdown, but they cannot hold their trades when they're in profit, right? And that's my focus here as well, to make you that strong that you can also hold your profits here. How to take partials? What you mean, Zibi? I know you're joking, right? Have you enter boss? No. No boss. ZB, I know you're joking, right? Because you've been trading for a long time. But I usually move my stops. Okay. So yeah, so let's say ZB, you have 5 contracts open. So you know where it says buy and sell, you can either close there, or you can if you are on the computer, just click right click on the screen and it will say one market close or one buy limit, sell limit. Like do the opposite. So if you're in buys, do the buy, I mean the sell, and if you're in the sell, do the buy, and it will close from there. Very easy, very simple. Not enough volume yet, boss. Okay, that was very risky. What's very risky? Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, ZB, try to take the partials, right? Because number one thing, it will add on with some time, and number two thing is, let's say if you are the break even and price takes you out, you're not just completely lose all your winning, right? You at least book something from that trade, so you feel like you earned something, right? You're not wasting your time. I mean, just price move down like 100 ticks and go back up, take you out and then push down, right? So you need to learn how you can manage your brains as well. By the way, ZB, how's your cousin doing, Mr. PJs? Is he still here? Gold is doing the most tonight. Yep. I think gold will go to 4,500. It doesn't matter what I think. Maybe. But before pushing down, it needs to go at least once to 47, something like that. For the topic at the monthly and weekly. I mean, getting early income, but he's doing his own thing. Okay. Okay, the volume time is almost done, so I'm gonna do just the 20 more minutes to continue and then call it a night. So you have 20 more minutes, the lucky ones. Hello, big. Hey, Andrew, what's up, brother? How are you doing? By the way, where can I show you that? By the way, do you guys want? So with the market maker, one guys, any new signals? This guy need new signals every time. I'm good. How are you? Yeah, I'm good too, buddy. How was your weekend? Okay, new signals. First, you need to enjoy the old signal first, right? We're still in this. Once we get over with this signal, then we're gonna get into the next one, right, Mr. Hollyman? And all the VIPs, I would say again, go watch today's recap. How can I show you? Let me see. Maybe. By the way, do you guys watch all those? Okay. So this is the today's recap. We do from. Can you see it? Yeah. Where we mark the zones right from 0, and then we start from the monthly, weekly. We then discuss about the, okay, this is the possibilities for the market. We identify, okay, the trend is still bearish. Everything we discuss before it happened, right? This is what we are expecting. This is the week, this is the dailies, this is the 4 hours, then we move to 1 hour, right? And then we move to 15 hours. So this is at least, I guess, maybe 40-50 minutes video for today. And then we discuss about the volume. Okay, this can happen, we identifying the trend. Then we discuss about upcoming news and all that, so how you can look for what you can trade. So this is just a small recap for today's weekly session. So if you have time, if you missed this weekly group call today, go watch back, because it will help you with the upcoming week, right? And you won't be surprised like most people here who trying to buy and they have no idea what they're looking for. I'm roasting with the like you roasted me. It was good with my at home. What if? Yeah, once you're in trade, then there's no what if. Once your stops at BE, then there's only what ifs, that you're losing nothing, right? The what ifs only before you get in, because once you get in, then you don't have to think, you just have to apply and wait. Yeah, buddy, I'm so happy for. Hey, thanks, Andrew. Thanks to you, buddy. Thanks to you who's still here with us, creating the history, right? No thumbs can do any more likes until next trade. I'm just kidding. Yeah, yeah, only one. Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Appreciate the likes, guys. Appreciate the likes. By the way, last Friday we didn't do our match, because usually on Friday after NY session, we have a match day. So we play TikTok matches and we have some fun at that time, usually on the Fridays. So this Friday we missed it. But don't worry, we can do it tomorrow, maybe. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate for the likes, for the shares, and if you are new, please do follow, because you're not gonna only help you but maybe others as well, right? And if you know somebody like you who's still struggling and who wants to learn a real strategy, not like a FVG shit, right? The real, the original strategy, then yeah, come here. maybe give like at least 1 or 2 weeks. If you still didn't see any value here on the live free, then you can do whatever you want. Oh, I need to talk, it's urgent, need some minutes. Yeah, Al Balushi, come on, hop on the call on the TikTok here if you want to do that. Such a tonight, thank you for the education. Hey J Money, definitely, definitely appreciate it, buddy. Yeah guys, you have like 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna go get some dinner, maybe some steak. Kitty Bear is like, I'm gonna re- report this guy. Someone says steak. Break in, that's veggie steak. Come on, I'm gonna make steak from all these veggies. Thank you very much. Hey, thanks Dan. Thanks, appreciate you, buddy. It's my first day. Mine and your strategy is simply same. I am up 1000. Okay, beef burger. Kitty Berry might don't like your name, but I think it's gonna go up. If it starts breaking above, then yes, but it looks like it's gonna respect that zone. If it stays below, then it can go down, push down like for what's 1 hour doing. Okay, the other thing, 4 hour closure is upcoming, right? So if the maybe the next 4 hour push up, okay, and creates a top wick, and then starts flipping, like you see it is closing below this zone. So this is the also issue for the buys as well right now. Same with this hourly, right? If this hourly, I mean, even though it creates a wick close a little up, but respecting these zones, the next 4 hour might go up, create a top wick, and then boom, on the flip of this 4 hour, the next one, Kitty Berry's favorite 4 hour, it can look for the sell position here. But there's one thing missing here, which is what? Volume right now, right? I mean, it's still here, but it's still not, at the same time it's not here. So what you do when there's no volume in the market, you just stay away from the market, right? And then you wait for next session. Of course, we're gonna wait for, we do live on the NY session as well. So next move, if the volume is here, if the 4 hour go up, flip, starts going down, and if you miss this move, you can get this one. If still this scenario didn't happen, then simply you can do one thing, you can wait for NY session, keep your account alive for tomorrow, and you might able to get another good trade. I made today's 650 tags. Okay, yeah. Belushi, what's your question, buddy? You said it's urgent. You wanna get on the call? Let me mic switch you. You are in the VIPs, buddy. You're welcome to get on the call anytime, or you can message me. You can DM me anytime. I'm happy to respond you whatever your question is. Okay. Can never forget volume. Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Guzin. Now I see. See, you have the same name. Never ever forget the volume. It's the most not in call, bro. I will DM. Okay, yeah, DM me. All right, DM me. English be for the win. Yeah, next 10 minutes, we're gonna hop around, see okay how this hourly and 4 hour closure, and then I'm gonna call it a night. Okay. Yeah, just and Belushi, just DM me on the Discord, on the chat there. So Hello?
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So, is it a good time to enter? Is it a good time to enter sale?
You need to mute one thing at the back.
Okay, wait.
I've seen end session. Yeah, Breaking. If you're leaving, who's gonna block these guys? Bro, you need to.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, but you need to mute. You can ask in the chat. I can't hear you. Okay. Ask. Yeah, that noise. Yeah, I need to kick that guy. Yeah, Mr. I don't know whoever joined me, buddy. If you have questions, ask in the chat. You have 7 more minutes. Then I'm gonna head off. See, Breaking. As soon as you said I'm gonna head off, these people are starts coming here. Anybody wants to recovery his account? I want, man. I want to recovery this account. I'm muting. Yeah, break and wait like 5 minutes, then I'm gonna also head off, so we can go together. Anybody else have any questions, guys? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hurry up. Re-entries. Mr. Job re-entries. Kitty, I think it will give you a chance to get out. What's your entry? Let's say even make it snappy.